Welcome to Style Skating. We are working on layback today. We will start with upright spin, open position with extension of your arms and your free leg to the side. I think this is important for layback because you have to center yourself first, spinning on one foot, and then try to get into attitude position, which we're going to do now. Still with upper body straight and just trying to get that backward attitude. Point your foot, turn out your leg, and keep your knee up. Next step, we're going to try to push your hips a little bit more forward and get your shoulders to lean back. On this video, you can see that hips going a little too much forward and not enough backward with your shoulders. It's important to counterbalance that you can still feel yourself over your skating leg. Next exercise we're going to do for square shoulders position. So your both arms going to be locked behind you, which will help you to feel your shoulders square. Now we're going into classic layback position, and you can see nice attitude behind, but your head a little bit on the right. So because your head turned to the right, your right shoulder drops a little bit. Compared to this girl, her head going straight backward and her shoulders very square. Now she's changing her arms position, and we're going to look at this again. Nice lean back and square shoulders. Now we're going to check her head, because before her head was to the right, and you can see just by changing head position, shoulders get much more square. And looking again here, beautiful position, good quality. Free leg and attitude, head back, square shoulders, and nice centered spin. Now in a slow motion, we're going to do this exercise when your left arm going to reach back to your opposite leg and your head going to turn to the left. This is great exercise to achieve square shoulders position. And then just some very nice laybacks from different skaters with different arms position. This one cross in front and nice lean back. Next one again will be with just arms in a third position ballet. Beautiful layback, very fast with a lot of revolutions. One more from different skater. Good lean back. You can see her upper body position almost parallel to the ice. And she was trying to hold her arms in the first position ballet. And different variations. This is sideway lean. Going into hair cutter. And then continue going into Billman after that. So in the Billman, you want your leg all the way up 180 degrees and lean more backward if possible. And difficult exit, very nice tuck and high jump. And same spin with other skater. Lean sideways. Hair cutter, nice lean back, and then Billman. her head going back and her leg going almost 180 degree. Much better vertical position. And same exit with big smile. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my videos and will subscribe to my channel.